Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about one follows the instructions, not the trainer. Yoga Nidra does not depend on idea and persuasion. The instructions are provided directly and the only suggestion is consisted of in the resolve, which is made entirely by the practitioner himself. In Yoga Nidra one finds out to cause his own state of relaxation by following the spoken guidelines. The trainer is only a guide. He offers the technique, however he will never ever require or force the trainee in any way. It is the technique which leads the mind to lighting and self-reliance of judgment, not the instructor. The professional knowingly cultivates his own inner professors and allows the instinctive inner knowledge to blossom forth. In hypnosis, nevertheless, the therapist typically dominates the mind and will of the subject. This often results in fascination, captivity, lack of self-confidence and effort. The intelligence, logic and decision are suppressed. The subject asks the therapist, "Shall I go to the toilet now?" And the therapist replies, yes or no. If you ask the Yoga Nidra trainer the exact same question, he will tell you, that is your decision, not mine. I'm not accountable for you. You're accountable for yourself and I'm responsible for myself. Even if the student's bad routines or behavior rebound on him, the instructor stays untouched and makes no attempt to alter his character. This is the mindset which Yoga Nidra establishes,